今天天气怎么样？
天气多云，气温26到34摄氏度。
转圈圈。
Who are you?
Hi, I am your guide here.
小帅，小帅，
我在。
站起来，
好的，
往前走2步，
好的，
向左走几步，
好的。
今天天气怎么样？
今天7月3日，周四，天气多云，气温26到34摄氏度，空气质量优。
天气不错，跟我出门逛逛吧。今天你来做我的导览员，可以吗？
好的，我去换双鞋子，马上就来。
你是什么呀？
你好，我是搭载语音交互套件的多形态双足机器人川万，你也可以用你喜欢的方式称呼我。
那我就叫你小兔子。
好的，你可以叫我小兔子。
小兔子向后转，
好的，
向前走，
好的，
转圈圈。
好的。
哇！小兔子跟我来。
Whoa. Who are you?
Hi, I am your guide here. If you have any questions about the park, just ask. I've got all the answers.
Can you have a walk with me and talk about this park to me?
Sure. Zhongshan Park is one of the oldest parks in Shenzhen, built in 1925 to honor Sun Yat-sen. It features winding forest paths, spacious lawns, and shady trees, making it a perfect place to relax.
Sounds great. Can you introduce other fun places at Nanshan District here?
No problem. Nantou Ancient City is nearby. With 1,700 years of history, it offers cozy cafes, small museums, and quiet alleys. It has a peaceful mix of tradition and modern life, perfect for a slow stroll and some great photos.
Thank you so much. You are a perfect tour guide.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.